In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track task time in Asana using the timer field. To make this as smooth as possible, we'll do everything on a desktop or laptop. That gives you the full task detail panel and makes it easier to find the controls you need. Go ahead and log into your Asana account, and once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to track time. This could be a team project, a personal to-do list, or any workspace where you manage tasks. Opening the correct project first keeps everything organized and ensures the time you record stays tied to the right work. Next, click on a task in that project to open its details. You'll see the task panel appear with its title, description, assignee, due date, and any existing custom fields. This is the area where we'll add the timer. Look for the Add Field option inside the Task Details panel. If your panel is full, you might need to scroll a bit to see it. Add Field is where Asana lets you place extra structured information on a task, like priority, stage, or in our case, the timer. From the list of available fields, choose Timer. As soon as you select it, the timer field will appear right in your task. You should now see a clean control that shows a start button and a time display. This field is built specifically for tracking active work on the task, so you don't have to switch to a separate app or spreadsheet. When you're ready to begin working, click Start on the timer field. The clock will begin counting up and will continue tracking while you focus on your task. You can move around within Asana as needed, and the timer will keep running until you tell it otherwise. If you need to step away, click Pause to temporarily halt the clock. This is useful for short breaks or interruptions. When you come back, click Start again to resume. If you're finished with that work session, click Stop. Think of pause for brief pauses and stop when you're done for now. As you use Start, Pause, and Stop, the timer field automatically calculates and records the total time spent on the task. That total updates without you having to do any math, which makes it easy to report progress or reflect on how long something actually took. You can always return to the task later, start the timer again, and continue building on that total time. That's all you need to track time in Asana with the timer field. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.